This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Dydrotab Tablet is a hormonal therapy designed to address progesterone deficiency in women. It helps manage various reproductive health issues. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the relief of menstrual pain, management of endometriosis, alleviation of premenstrual syndrome symptoms, and support in correcting infertility and irregular periods. It also provides relief from postmenopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes and mood swings, especially when used alongside estrogen therapy. How it works. Dydrotab Tablet operates by supplementing the body's progesterone levels, thereby correcting hormonal imbalances and improving the thickness of the uterine lining. Directions for use. Take the medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It is important to swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water without chewing or crushing it. Consistency is key. Try to take it at the same time each day, with or without food. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your specific medical condition and overall health. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include severe headaches, nausea, breast pain or tenderness, and irregular or heavy menstrual periods. If any side effects worsen, consult a healthcare professional. Precautions and warnings. It is essential to use this medication cautiously if you have liver problems, a history of depression, or certain tumors. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their physician before use. Additionally, individuals with blood clots or heart disease should avoid this treatment. FAQs. 1. What is Dydrotab Tablet used for? It is used to manage progesterone deficiency states, relieving symptoms like menstrual cramps and endometriosis. 2. How should I take it? Swallow the tablet whole as prescribed, at the same time each day. 3. What are common side effects? Side effects include headaches, nausea, and breast tenderness. 4. Can I stop taking it if I feel better? No, do not stop unless advised by your doctor. 5. Is it safe for children? It should only be used in postpubertal females if prescribed. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions regarding our content.